urinating, when he wanted to do istinja and wash his private part, the water fell on the ground and it caused it to mix with the urine and splashed on his body. If you are certain that there is urine on your body, you have to wash that. Do I have to take a full shower? No. Only the areas that are affected. But if the water is running, the urine is running, and the water is poured over it is also running, so the water usually overwhelms the little amount of urine. And whatever splashes that comes to you, if you can identify that this is urine, the characteristics of the color, the smell, and I hope you don't have to taste it, then this is urine. But if the characteristics are not there, it's only plain water, then the assumption that it is urine is not changing the fact of certainty, which is everything is pure until proven otherwise, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.